Hi everyone, welcome to Hoodoo's feature highlight video for keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can be used for frequent actions such as editing, favoriting, and best of all, searching. Now with all these keyboard shortcuts added at once, sometimes it may be hard to remember what keys perform certain actions. So if you need a refresher on what keyboard shortcuts are available in Hoodoo, you can start with a keyboard shortcut, Command/. Let's start by going ahead and doing a global search for an item we need to find in Hoodoo. I can hit / to open a general search and type in a keyword from an article I am looking for. Now I can use my shortcuts to jump into that article. I could also use different shortcuts to open a search for a specific item, such as an asset. In this particular instance, I know the IP address I am looking for, so I will go ahead and start typing that in, 10.0.0.5, and enable comprehensive search, so I am searching within my asset fields. As a reminder, in your profile section, you can set your search preferences to default to comprehensive search if you choose to. Now, if I wanted to favorite this asset or make any edits, I can easily do so with my shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can also be extremely useful when editing your KB articles, as they allow you to have increased speed and efficiency when making your edits. As I go ahead and search for an article this time using a direct shortcut, I will only see results for articles. Jumping into this article, I can use the keys to add headers, which will automatically generate the table of contents of the article, numbered lists for easy tracking of important steps, and redo anything I mistype. Actually, I do want to say hello to our awesome YouTube community, so I will go ahead and redo that. Overall, keyboard shortcuts offer numerous benefits like increasing your speed, providing you the ability to perform tasks quicker and more accurately. Thanks for watching today, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, join our community, or reach out to us at support.hoodoo.com.